Well, we're here. Never been here before, so we're gonna give it a try. And I'll try and take a lot of pictures. This is the blue trail, the shorty one. We'll give it a try and see how it goes. Oh, I thought that was the lake. I guess that's just a little water. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see the water? There's more water down here. There's the water. It's really pretty down here. Not as pretty as the ocean, but it's a lake. What can you do? Little purple flowers. Sun's in my eyes. I'm not sure if you guys can see the purple flowers. There's a guy out on something out on the water. Don't know what that is. Some little yellow flowers. Little white flower. Clear water. And a guy on like a rafty type thing. Oh, maybe it's a kayak. It didn't look like a kayak.
It looks like those little like single paddle boat things.
Yeah, like the ones you pedal. Yeah, that's what I think it is. I don't know. He's too far away. Here's more of the water. See some fish in the water. I don't know if you guys can see them. Somebody's on a trail and look what he's doing. That's right, got you on film. Oh, there's a bigger fish. Maybe he'll turn around so you guys can see him. There are pretty yellow flowers all along the water. I don't know if they're called buttercups. I'm not sure. They're pretty. I don't know. I don't know what this is, but it's pretty cool looking. Apparently it's a, what do they call them, cocoons? There's two of them. One of them's really big. Where's the other one?
I don't know. I said see the bugs. I don't know what they are.
They kind of look like those ground wasps. Remember the ones on the other trail?
Yeah, but they seem a lot bigger.
No, I mean the wasp. Is that what you're talking about, this guy?
Yeah, the black.
He didn't like his picture taken. Let's see where this trail goes. It's kind of an offshoot of the main trail. Just took you to the other side of the water. There's other people. We're not alone. Very peaceful here. nice scenic view here. We know that guy. Here's another pretty scenic from a different part of the lake. Very pretty here. We definitely will come back when it cools off a bit because it's very hot today. How it goes. Look, we're going into the woods. There's wood around the side. Woods. Hopefully it's cooler. There are grasshoppers everywhere. Here's another scenic shot of the water, and there's that same guy we saw when we first got here. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's kind of far. It really looks like he's pedaling, or paddling. Pedaling. I guess it's a pedal boat. Lots of little fish here. I don't know if you guys can see them. I don't know about my husband, but I am totally ready for this trail to be over. I am sweating. I think he's hot too. Look, he's got his hat off. And I'm all red and sweaty, I'm sure. Hopefully we don't have much longer. We do trails, we just don't normally do them when they're this hot out. There's lots of rocks over here you could sit on. We're not going to, but there's rocks. There's my husband waiting for me to finish. We have reached the end. Yay. Parking lot is up here. We are very ready for some AC and some cold water. It was fun. I think it'd be more fun on a cooler day. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely. And maybe at a later time.
All right, thanks for coming with us. Later.